2020 Subaru WRX STI. In a South African sea of German sharks and killer whales, you get the venerable Subaru WRX STI. This is the facelifted V8 chassis holding the tried and trusted EJ series engine. While many other vehicles in this class have gone with DCT transmissions and trick four-wheel drive systems, the STI here remains traditional, not only by Subaru standards but on a broader spectrum. A 2.5 litre turbo lump with a 6-speed manual transmission, but with modern touches and refinements such as driving modes and infotainment systems or some engine diagnostics. It's got everything you need pretty much. This particular vehicle right here is the high-spec model, and it has an optional extra exhaust which is ready to rumble. I hope you have a home theater on or some good headphones, because you have got to have a listen to this. Let's drive, shall we? 2020 Subaru WRX STI is a vehicle, while gaining modern touches, still has elements of the older analog generations of before. It's intuitive to drive and a different experience compared to the point-and-shoot vehicles out in our market today. It commands the driver's attention, it wants you to push it further, and entertains not only with its drive, but its sound too. While a fart in between shifts is a brief smile, the burble from the exhaust of this STI is just constant satisfaction. Raw driving experiences aren't for everyone, but if you love being in tune with the vehicle as you drive, then boy oh boy, the STI needs to be under your radar. It's been under mine for a while, a dream car that certainly needs to become a reality very, very soon. A big thank you goes out to the team at Subaru Johannesburg for allowing me to test and film this marvel. Also to Mr. George at the dealership for accommodating me on the day with the best hospitality ever. If you'd like to buy your own STI, please chat to him at the Subaru Johannesburg dealership. You will not be disappointed. Anyways, that's all she wrote. I'm TayeedzSA here, and I'll be seeing y'all around. Shut.